right, let's look at how we would do an effect sort of like this, where the inside has a bevel, and then there's like a white stroke, but then there's also a pink stroke. So let's look at that in Photoshop and Photopea. So here I have my letters. Obviously, strokes and bevels are layer styles. So we're going to layer styles button. I'm going to click on bevel and emboss. It's not very noticeable on black, so I should probably change the color of my text so you can see it better. But regardless, I'm going to reset to defaults here. So now I've got the bevel on there. Again, kind of hard to see just because of the color of my text. So let me just make it something else so you can see it a little better there with the lighter colors. Okay, so there's that. And then I'm going to just double click this, or you can come back down here again. We're going to add the stroke. What many people don't realize is that you can add multiple strokes. That's what this plus sign is for. So I would put my first stroke color, let's say it was going to be the white, which we wouldn't be able to see right now. So I'll use red and then make it bigger. Notice it's going on the inside, so you do have to pay attention to the positioning. If you want it to go around it, it needs to go on the outside. So if that's the color I need to cover everything, I need to do that. And then I'm going to hit plus and add another stroke. And then you have to decide again, is that stroke going to be the inside or the outside? Because, if we do it on the inside, we're going to cover up the letters. It's going to have to be on the outside, and it's technically behind the other stroke. So I'm going to change this first stroke now to white. Well, I'll just make it kind of a pink so you can still see it. And now my second stroke with the red is behind the white. See how we pull it up and then it starts to show. All right, great. And that does the effect in Photoshop. In Photopea, it's very similar. I'm going to pop back over here and choose my words. We've got the word baby here. I'm going to hit my EFF, the Effects Layer Styles button, add my bevel just like I would in Photoshop, and then I'm going to come over here and add my stroke. So click on stroke. There's the first stroke. I'll just leave it as it is. But then we need to add a second stroke, and again we have a plus sign. Give it a plus sign. Click on it, and again we're still on outside here, so I'll choose a different color for my outside stroke, hit OK, and then make it bigger than the initial stroke, and voila, you have a double stroke.